has a story about a guy named Anybody. He had a wife and kid, a good job, let's say he had it all, but couldn't keep his pants on for long. He loved to get it on, thinking about it being right or wrong. He loved women and was ever ready to get with them, chase them and hit them, whatever they wanted he was ready to give them, as long as he could get them in bed and get freaky. To him it was fun, he didn't think of the word risky. Unprotected, sex galore. He had money, so some he got free and some he had to pay for. From motel to hotel to sudden weekend business trips with a secretary and different chicks. I talked to him but he wouldn't listen on why he didn't use protection. He gave me this stupid reason that flesh to flesh is best, until the day that he had to take the test.
What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing seeds that can destroy your future? You either avoid it or use protection. What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing seeds? Look at you now.
Well, the news spread like wildfire. His folks' blood pressure got higher, and of course he got fired. And everyone knew he had AIDS. His phone that used to be busy, now we don't ring for days. Now he's being treated like a leper, worse than an outcast, cause he didn't use protection for pleasure that don't last more than 14 minutes, tops an hour. Now he feels useless, now he don't got the power he thought he did. Now everything is going downhill, now he prays, asking why he got this raw deal. Lost his job and friends, even his right hand man is scared, cause he don't wanna try to understand. Wife left with a kid, he's left with an empty house and no spouse. At night nobody hears him shout his suicide note read, "Forgive me for my cheating." They found it on his body that was hanging from the ceiling.
What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing seeds that can destroy your future? You either avoid it or use protection. What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing seeds? Look at you now.
AIDS is not airborne, it doesn't just cling on. It's not passed from the touch of the skin unless it's broken. It's not passed when you breathe the same air as a patient when he coughs. It's not passed from using the same cup. It's not passed when you shake hands or you hug. But it's a whole different ball game if you sleep around like a dog, unprotected, or share needles. You just might get infected. If you're still not, you better be interested in what I speak, cause people be walking on the streets not knowing they be carriers of death that's in deep. Once it's in, it's in. But now there's no cure. He doesn't care for race or gender, you rich or you poor. He strikes like an unpaid worker, hitting fathers or sons, mothers and daughters at separate times or all at once. AIDS is real, so you better recognize and don't choose to refuse to make that little sacrifice.
What is it you want? What do you hope to achieve by sowing